Good morning, welcome back. This is another what I eat in a day video. This was highly requested, so without further ado, let's get into it. So I usually wake up around 8:30 because I had to be at work at 8:30. I usually start off with the Z-Bar chocolate brownie bar, and those are the nutritional facts. It's really good, high in protein, low on sugar. It's good, for the morning to get your bowels moving. Then I was still hungry because I only had one, so I ate some popcorn. Yes, you could have popcorn for breakfast. For those of you who know, I have really bad bowel problems, so I take the Miralax every morning. I started prepping lunch and dinner around 11:30. I eat literally like the same thing for lunch and dinner when I meal prep like this. So right now I'm getting the salmon ready to go in the oven. I prepped it with olive oil after I washed it and dried it with a paper towel. Then I preheat the oven to about 375 degrees, and then I start seasoning. I love garlic powder. I apply that to the salmon profusely until I feel like it's enough garlic powder, which never feels like it's enough. Then I go in with my other seasonings. I go in with ground black pepper until it's good, and then I go in with seasoning salt last. And then I just make sure I get all the sides coated and ready for them to go inside the oven. I usually use a glass pan. Sometimes I'll use a baking sheet and just wrap it in like aluminum foil, but not tonight. I love the butter. Usually I'll put garlic in it, but I didn't this time. So I use a lot of butter before it goes inside of the oven, and then I just cut it up and then place it inside of the pan. Then I stick that in the oven to cook for about 20 minutes, depending on how crispy you like it. Then I went ahead and prepped the side. I love a good Caesar salad, so that's what I used for my side for my salmon. After about 20 minutes or however long until you like it, I take it out and then I go ahead and prep the plate for the salmon. So I have the salad, of course, and then I have my salmon portion added to it as well. After that's all added, this is my favorite part. I add the butter on top. It just really seals the deal. I got hungry again around 5 o'clock, so for dinner, I just went ahead and reheated the salmon and then had the salad again. Then around 8 o'clock, I wanted something sweet. I went to the candy store and got some candy, and then I also, of course, had to get a coney dog, and that's it, guys.